Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about this inexpensive interpolarometer or shutter release controller, whatever you want to call it. So I'm the Panda Photographer, everyone, and I want to share a long story about this Pixel TW-283 that I had on my Sony, Nikon, and now Canon cameras, because it's a universal wireless shutter remote release, aka interpolarometer, mind you, everyone. This helps you control your bulb if you want to open your shutter speed for very long periods of time, especially for astrophotography. You want to control shutter speed, or if you want to do time lapse. So guys, I purchased this in 2017 and it still works today. And mind you, it's not a pro tier camera release shutter remote. This is from the brand Pixel. I got this system at the time for $30. So disclaimer, everyone, please do support the channel by liking, sharing the content. I'm trying to provide photographers, beginners, professionals an easy and maybe affordable option when it comes down to the shutter release remote category. And the TW-283RX, it was meant for the Sony, but you only have to buy the cable. You can buy the cable for any camera and plug this in the controller and set it, or you can just power this on. Plug this into the controller from the camera and get it to go. But with that said, everyone, it works. The display did not fade. Battery life on here is a very, very good, outstanding. Mind you, I am using Duracell batteries at the time. Other times I use Energizers, and I noticed the Energizers didn't die after 6 months of usage. Mind you, I don't use this quite often, but when I do use this shutter remote, the battery life is still there. I didn't have to replace my batteries for like 6 to 8 months. So take it with a grain of salt from your experience if you do buy this product. But it's been 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021, it's been over 8 years. Over 8 years since I had this product, and it's not failed. So, and I did make some videos in the past when I was in San Jose, California in 2017, trying to show and demonstrate how this works. It does work efficiently, but when there's too many traffic and interference when it comes down to the wireless 2.4 gigahertz system, there can be some interference. I'm not gonna lie. There can be interference. There can be interruptions at times. So if you're gonna be using this controller, make sure if you go into a pinch, you can always plug the cable directly into the controller to get your shot. So keep that in mind. But other than that, everyone, it's not weather seal. This is made out of cheap plastic, but this cheap plastic lasts a long time. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It lasts a long time, even the receiver. Let me show you this receiver. Show the batteries. I'm using double cells on here as well. So keep that in mind. But I just wanted to give you guys a good idea that I had these for over 8 years. I think you should pick it up. It's still selling on Amazon. It's still being sold on Amazon. And if you do pick it up, click on the Amazon link down in the description below so you can help me on this channel to keep the lights on here. I'm the Panda Photographer, and you have been educated about shutter remote release controllers, aka interpolarometers, on this channel. With that said, everyone, I've been shooting photography for a long time, ever since I was a young boy. And now I'm age 44 years of age. I work for an embassy, I work for a consulate, I work for 501c3, work with office officials, and I am going to share my experience as a photographer that you will want to pick up a tool like this for your workflow. With that said, everyone, EC photography, videography, pixel peep, and repeat. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.